Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now, charge the earbuds above 20% and leave them in the case. On your laptop, open Bluetooth and devices in settings, then turn Bluetooth on. Once done, press and hold the case button for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. This puts the nothing ear stick into pairing mode. You do this because the laptop can only discover devices actively advertising. Keeping the earbuds in the case preserves battery and ensures they enter the correct pairing state. You should now see the ear stick appear in the laptop's device list. Click its name to pair. When a prompt appears, confirm pairing and accept permissions. No PIN is typically required. Once paired, go to Sound Settings, choose the ear stick as the default output, and check playback levels. If you need low latency, make sure your laptop supports the desired Bluetooth codec. Adjust audio app output to the ear stick. These steps ensure audio routes correctly, and you hear sound immediately. Finish by testing audio and microphone. Switch between stereo and hands-free profiles so you understand the trade-offs. Stereo gives better sound, hands-free enables mic. If audio is choppy or not connecting, update your laptop's Bluetooth drivers and check for ear stick firmware updates via the manufacturer app. Once done, unpair and repair if necessary. If still failing, reset the case by holding the button for 10 seconds to clear pairing state. This often resolves stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.